Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to wall mount your TV. Whether you're sprucing up your living room or just saving some space, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Luxury isn't just a lifestyle, it's an experience. I'm Dario Lorenzo, a dedicated global real estate advisor with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty right here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's find your dream home or sell your property for top dollar. Reach out today and let's make it happen. First things first, find the perfect spot on your wall. Make sure it's at eye level when you're seated. Afterwards, if you want to hide your cables, have an electrician relocate the outlet behind the TV for a clean no cable look. Next, grab your mounting bracket. These usually come with a handy template. Use it to mark where the screws will go. But wait, before you start drilling, use a stud finder to locate the wall studs. This ensures your TV won't come crashing down. Safety first, folks. Once you've marked the spots, drill the holes. Make sure they're nice and snug. Now, attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the provided screws. Make sure to use a leveler so your TV is nice and straight. Tighten up the screws, but don't go Hulk on it, just firm enough to hold. Alright, now for the exciting part, attach the mounting plate to the back of your TV. Each TV has different screw sizes, so pick the right ones. Most brackets come with a variety of options. Secure the plate and double check everything is tight and aligned. Now it's time to hang the TV on the wall. Carefully lift it and hook it onto the wall bracket. This might be a two-person job, so grab a friend. Once it's up there, make sure it's level and secure. Give it a gentle wiggle to confirm it's not going anywhere. Finally, tidy up those pesky cables. Use some cable clips or a cable cover to keep everything neat and tidy. And voila, you've got yourself a beautifully mounted TV. That wasn't so hard, was it? Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite show in style. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Catch you later.